Hi, this is Franz, and I wish you welcome to how to build a 3D printed quadcopter part 2. You see a lot of parts, you see a lot of tools, so we have a lot to do, and let's start. First we have to mount the 4 motors to the arms. So that's it. 4 arms with 4 motors. The next step we have to solder the ESCs to the motors. So that's it. 4 arms with 4 motors with 4 ESCs. Next we have to solder this very short ESC wires, and in the next step I have to install 2 power wires at the lower center plate. Okay, that's it. So it looks almost like a quadcopter. At the next step we have to connect the KK board with the ESCs and with the receiver. So all motors are running correct. At the next step I will mount the top plate, and then we have to mount the props, and then it's time for the first test flight. That's it. This is our first 3D printed quadcopter. It seems not too heavy. It seems very solid. and I find it looks great. I think that's very cool. So if you like to see the thing in action, watch my next video. In the next video I do some indoor flight tests, some adjustments, and you will see an outdoor flight to test how good it is. If you want to see the next video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.